Morning! Kape tayo. It's a Sunday morning and the rain is falling. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Wow! It's been a while since I uploaded content here in Millennial Negosyante. Natagalan ako due to some reasons. Number one dyan is First Society will be having a new branch in General Trias, Cavite. Number two is the First Society Legazpi Village, Makati. I'm not here to promote. But I am here to share a thought or an experience of my past. It's really fantastic knowing na you are guided by God, no? You are guided by Papa Jesus. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi i-share ko lang din yung story ko, no? Back when I was in college, wala talaga akong plan sa buhay. Hindi ako yung type ng estudyante na talino, dean's lister, mataas ang grade, ganyan. Happy-go-lucky lang ako, enjoying my college life. So pagka-graduate ko, after 2 months ng graduation, nag-apply agad ako. Just so you know, breadwinner ako. So, grade 5 pa lang ako, alam ko na breadwinner ako. Nag-work agad ako in airlines. Nasa airport services ako, tapos I live in Novaliches, tas 3 hours na biyahe for 1 year, ganun. Hindi ko alam kung ano pinapatunayan ko, pero I do know that yung airline na yon magpo-provide sa akin ng learning. After a year, nag-abroad ako. I was invited by my cousin in Japan, but hindi ako niland ni Lord to be in that path. So, I came back in the Philippines. Nag-apply ako kahit call center kasi hindi na ako sanay na walang trabaho, walang sahod. Nag-apply ako ng call center. Ang dami kong in-applyan pero hindi ako natanggap. A friend of mine recommended me to be a sales in a hotel. Ang reason ko, magandang matutunan yung mundo ng sales. Total yun yung field na tinapos ko. Mabot ako 7 years, 8 years pa na hotel. Lahat ng pinasukan ko, ang dahilan ko lang, gusto ko matuto. Umaabot sa punto kasi na makakaramdam ka na ng pagod, kine-question mo na yung sarili mo. You feel stuck. Sa madaling salita. You enjoyed your job for so many years, pero umabot ka sa punto na parang you feel stuck. Ito pa ba yung gusto kong gawin? Best way is to acknowledge it. Huwag matakot sa changes. Na-enjoy ko yung factor na natuto ko, pero sasabihin sa'yo ni Lord na okay na. Naipon mo na yung mga learnings. It's time for a new journey in your life. This is just a thought on a Sunday morning that the rain is falling. Ano bang message ko sa story kong yun? Once you feel na nasa-stuck ka na and you think na there's something more that you can prove to yourself and to everybody, baka ikaw yung tipo ng tao na pwedeng magnegosyo. Kasi naipon mo na yung galing mo, pwede mo na siyang i-share sa ibang tao. Or, pwede mo na siyang gamitin as your own source of income to your business. To be honest, ngayon na lumalaki yung franchising business namin, medyo kinakabahan ako. No? Mukha lang akong matapang pero hindi. May takot pa rin ako, may kaba pa rin ako, may anxiety pa rin ako. Siguro kaya ko din ito nasasabi sa inyo kasi I'm having this creative block. Kakaroon ako ng ganun ngayon. Kakaroon ako anxiety kasi magbubukas na. I cannot show that to the people na umaasa sa akin ngayon. Tumaasa sa skills ko na i-showcase ko para sa ikabubuti nila. Franchising is a different challenge in my life na sana yung iba, kung nakakaranas man ng ganun, i-address nyo lang, baka din kagaya ko, franchising and the pet store business din yung matipuhan nyo kung for parent kayo, diba? So, this has been Ai, your Millennial Negosyante, and I will see you around.